Hello guys, you're welcome to Contemporary Views. My name is Gillian. On Contemporary Views, we discuss contemporary issue. That means say your opinion counts, my opinion too, it counts. And for Contemporary Views, we know they talk about things where they happen. We talk about only thing the way that they happen today, happen tomorrow, where we believe for this way we will so. Now, if it's your first time stumbling on this platform, please like, share and subscribe. For all my returning subscribers, I am very grateful and I say thank you. Today on Contemporary Views, we will be talking about a trending issue, which is religion. We will be talking about religion today. When I say religion, I classify all forms of religion. I don't want to make mention of any others. I am not here to judge anybody on the religion they prefer. I am not here to propagate any form of religion. I am just here to discuss how religion affects us in our day-to-day life, being an African. So guys, I want you to know that we all have a religion. We all have a God we are looking at. And it is very, very important for a human functioning. You cannot stay on your own. You must surely believe in something or in someone somewhere. But I have a problem with the fact that we have pushed all our problems in life towards religion. No. Religion doesn't solve your problems in life. Religion doesn't solve your problems in life. I don't care which faith you are. I don't care which religion you are. Work solves all your problems. Working smart even makes it better for you. Identifying what that problem is and how to solve that problem is the solution for you. For instance, no amount of praying will break you free from poverty. No amount of fasting will give you financial freedom. No amount of giving will elevate your standard in life. By the way, if you don't have, you will not be able to give. I am so angry. I am so unhappy for the fact that we, the African race, have seen that religion is the only way out for us. Who said so? We have nations like China, Japan, Korea. They also have their own forms of religion, but they do not practice religion as much as Africans do. We are very fervent with our religion. We are very faithful with our religion. I know that there are so many people out there who come and attack me on this topic. But if I am speaking the truth, why would I be afraid of the attacks? Like I said, I am not propagating anything. I beg, no be only religion will solve your problem. Try find out what will be the cause for your problem. Ask people the way they know how to solve that kind of problem when they don't go through before. Then you will know how you will solve your own problem. If you decide to not only pray, I want to pray there, you know work, may hungry kill you there. I talk say may hungry kill you for that place where you dey. Who tell you say go sit down for your house morning to night to fast and pray may manna fall from heaven? Even time when manna before from heaven, people will still go outside, go gather around before they be get chop. I beg, most stop being lazy. Let us just stop this lazy attitude of relying on religion. You go and consult, things are not moving on well. You go and see the gods in your village, things are not moving very well. You go to the churches and stay there, in the mosques and stay there. You don't want to work. You don't want to do anything to help yourself. Guys, please, religion is not helping Africa. Religion is not helping us out. We can modify these things. We can modify our lives. We can modify the way we do things. We can modify the way we go about things. Let us take a closer look. Let us try to see the things that we are doing that is not right. For so many years, this race of black race have been suffering poverty, pain, misery, war, destruction. All these things, they have solution. Now, is it like this all over the world? Let us try and see how we can solve our problems. Let us not rely only on religion. Religion is not the only thing. I believe that many people are out there who know that we are created in the image of God. Is God dependent on only one thing? He depends on every other thing. Africa is blessed with so many herbs, but we still have people dying of common illnesses. We still have people dying of common illnesses because we have refused to get to work. Yes, government up, government down, government left, government right. What about you? What is your own contribution as a person to your society? What is your own? Must you always rely on religion? You can try to do something else. Technology is paying out there. Technology is paying. Is God not behind technology? I don't know. Is God not behind technology? Please, guys, let us have a look. Let us have a rethink. Let us think about the future. How we can identify the problems. How we can identify the solutions to our problems. We cannot remain stagnant like this forever now. We cannot. Things are getting better, or things can get better. Let us have a mindset. Let us have a mindset. Let us learn from other people who are making it, who are not so religious. I am not placing any attack against religion. Religion is very, very paramount. It's very, very important, please, guys. But it is not, it cannot solve all the problems we have. It is not the source for everything. Let us work hard, please. Thank you. If it's your first time on this platform, please like, share, and subscribe. For returning subscribers, thank you so much.